It's really hot, so I need to get some guts on. So today we are putting a hitch on the van because I am sick of putting the scooter inside. It takes up way too much room and I cannot live life like this. So I bought this hitch from etrailer.com. They have a YouTube video of how to put it all together. It's really simple. It's literally just taking bolts out, taking the bumper out, putting more bolts in, attaching the thing, and then putting it back on. So we're just gonna vlog it because it's fun. Right now I'm in Utah, Salt Lake City, Utah. I'm at my friend's house. His dad works on cars, so we're gonna use his tools. I'm actually really excited about this because I haven't done this. I've been thinking about doing this for a while. I've just been pushing it off and finally I'm gonna get it done. Yeah, so hopefully this goes well. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe and like. I would really appreciate that. Alright, it comes with these bolts. You can't really see them, but instructions. And then here is the hitch. Alright, we'll come back to that. That one's opened. It looks like I have to do this a little bit, which shouldn't be too hard, it's just bolts and shit. So let's go back to the van. Okay, with a T30 tip, there's we gotta remove the bumper ends first. So there's these little screws here. There's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4. So just go ahead and remove those. Okay, next thing is there's some screws down here. I only see, oh yeah, so there's one over there. So there's 4 of these ones. So go ahead and remove those. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you see these bolts. There's 2 on each side. We need to remove those. Okay, so the size is 5/8. Look at this cool swivel thing I got. It's hard to get under here, man. So you gotta... Okay, which direction are we? Nope. Not that direction. Look at that flex. Like, fuck, man, that's what it's supposed to do. Okay, so next thing to do is some bolts from the bottom. Also, the socket I've been using is a 5/8 socket. Also, this is a Dodge Promaster 2019, 5,500 horsepower, extended cab. Yeah, anyways, the bolts that we need to remove now are right here. So it goes back here. There's a bolt right there. So you need to take this bolt out, and same on the other side, and make sure the bumper, this stays in, because you're gonna remove this nug, and then you don't want this falling on you, because you know it's gonna be coming out. This is the only thing keeping it in now. So make sure this doesn't fall on you. Make sure, just be careful. Be careful. I need to be careful. Alright! Okay, let's put this puppy together. So, what comes in the box is these 2 wires here and some bolts. These 2 big bolts that look like this. And you also need these washers. And then also these little square pieces. So, first you need to do is, this is your bumper actually. there's 2 holes on this end. Here, you're gonna put your wire through the hole and get them to come out of these square, empty, square holes. So, put the spring first. And then, on the end of each spring, put one of these plates, and you're gonna thread one of the bolts onto the spring. And then you're just gonna feed them through. There's 2 little holes. Now this is your new hitch. There's 2 little holes right here. We're gonna line with the bolt hole. Put this on top of here. Then there's a little bolt pulling out of this, coming out of this one. It's gonna get through this bottom hole down here. So make sure that aligns too on both ends. Okay, let's do this. Then you grab your nuts. Your nuts. Put them on there. Dude, so my friend's dad just gave me this. Prevents the bolts from loosening, so I recommend this stuff. Okay, let's tighten these bolts and then we'll get the bumper back on the van. Okay, getting under it is really difficult, so I recommend one of these. And I really don't even get completely on the bolt, so like, what the fuck? Whoever engineered this thing sucks. Okay, now we gotta put the bumper back on the van. They gave us some new bolts, so those 4 that we first removed in the very beginning. Actually, no, fuck that. Okay, once you have the 2 bottom bolts in, which I barely got them on, like there's barely enough thread to put them on. I just put them on a little bit. They gave us 4 new bolts for the 4 awkward ones up top. All right, I got the bolts in. Boom. Now we gotta do the bottom bolt. Gonna tighten that. We're also gonna Turk them all. Make sure that they're all the way tight. I also add threaded stuff to those. And then after that's tightened, then we just put the bumper back on and we're done. Oh, of course we missed it. I fucking hit my head, guys. Oh, it hurts so bad. Damn, I'm a fucking boss, man. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Ah! Don't forget the bottom ones. And that is how you install a hitch on a van. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you very much, thank you. And this is our final product.